Hello, and welcome to French class with Annabel.
Bonjour et bienvenue à French Class with Annabel. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre un verbe très important en français, devoir. C'est simple, utile et tu l'entendras tous les jours. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's lesson is about the verb devoir. It's a very important French verb. It's simple, useful, and heard every day. Now, what is devoir? The verb devoir has three major meanings. Let's check them out. One, as an obligation or necessity, devoir means must or have to. Examples: Je dois étudier. I have to study. Tu dois partir maintenant. You must leave now. Two, devoir can also mean to owe something to someone, either to owe a debt or to owe a favor to someone. Examples: Je dois 10 € à Paul. I owe Paul 10 €. Il me doit une réponse. He owes me an answer. Now, 3. Devoir as a supposition or a probability means must be or should be. And this is used to express what is likely true. Examples: Elle doit être fatiguée. She must be tired. Ça doit être intéressant. That must be interesting. La conjugation de devoir au présent. Je dois. I must. I have to. I owe, depending on your tense and context. Tu dois. You must. You have to. You owe. Il doit. He must. He has to. He owes. Elle doit. She must. She has to. She owes. On doit. One must. Or we must. One has to. One owes. Nous devons. We must. We have to. We owe. Vous devez. You must. You have to. Ils, elles doivent. They must. They have to. And please note, devoir is an irregular verb, so its forms don't follow the regular IR patterns. It often works with another verb in the infinitive. Examples are: Je dois manger. I have to eat. Tu dois venir. You have to come. Now we're going to take a quiz, and we are expected to complete the blank spaces with the correct form of devoir. Let's go. 1. Tu t'irais faire tes devoirs. Now tirer means dash in English. 2. Nous tirer partir à 19h. 3. Elle tirait 30 € à sa sœur. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.